सो फ्रेंड्स, हमारे पास ये एक C3 पे एप्लीकेशन है और इसमें एक कंप्लेन है कि हर मंथ इस C3 पे से पैसे कटे जा रहे हैं। बैलेंस डिडक्टेड एवरी मंथ। सो चेक करेंगे व्हाई इज़ द बैलेंस गेटिंग डिडक्टेड. So we'll just click on view all transaction again. Okay, after logging in C3P, we'll just check the transaction where is the balance getting deducted. Okay, first of all, 2 dirham, this is for ATM withdrawal. As you know, if you withdraw amount from C3Pay ATM, any ATM, then there is a charge of 2.10. Previously it was 2 dirham. And then salary. Okay, here we can see 3.15 and इट इज़ रिटर्न एज VPN मंथली बिलिंग. इसका मतलब VPN एक्टिवेट है जिसके कारण ये पैसे कटे जा रहे हैं. एंड देन अगेन देर इज़ अ विथड्रॉल, ATM विथड्रॉल 2.10. ओके, एंड देन अगेन इफ यू सी, एंड देन अगेन देर इज़ 3.15 AED डिडक्टेड ड्यू टू VPN मंथली. ओके, सो and again there is one more Mena VPN. So the main problem with this C3Pay account is that every time 3.15 balance is getting deducted because of Mena VPN, and we'll just try to fix this. Why is this balance getting deducted? Stay connected with me to watch the video till end. Hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So in order to understand what is VPN, C3Pay allows you to subscribe one VPN subscription, and with which this is the one with which you can connect VPN and call home or visit any website that is restricted, due to which every month 3.15 AED is deducted. So we'll just cancel this subscription and then we hope this balance will not get deducted. In order to unsubscribe Mena VPN, what we'll do, we'll just click on our profile. Once we come to our profile, we'll just scroll down a little. And here you can check manage subscriptions, right? So what we'll do, we'll just click here once and we'll check what kind of subscriptions are active here. So as we can check here, this Mena VPN is not shown. We'll just click on active, and if we click on active, you will find this Mena VPN 3 AED per month, which is showing active, and including charges it is deducting 3.15. So we'll just click here, and this is the service due to which every month there is a balance deduction. And in order to unsubscribe this, what we'll do, here you will see this unsubscribe button. We'll just click here, and then again we just need to confirm that yes, we do want to unsubscribe. Yes, unsubscribe. And we have unsubscribed it successfully. You can check cancellation successful. Your Mena VPN subscription is cancelled. The service is active until 16th August. And in this way, friends, the amount that has been deducted every month, as you can check here, this amount will not get deducted again, as we have successfully unsubscribed Mena VPN. If you are also seeing that every month there is a balance deduction, you can just visit the subscription section and check if there is any service activated due to which your balance is getting deducted. दोस्तों, हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे क्या किया, इस C3Pay एप्लीकेशन पे जो Mena VPN एक्टिव था उसे सक्सेसफुली अनसब्सक्राइब कर लिया, और आगे से इसके रिगार्डिंग किसी भी तरीके का बैलेंस डिडक्ट नहीं होगा. अगर आपका भी बैलेंस डिडक्ट हो रहा है, सेम प्रोसेस को इस्तेमाल करते हुए आप लोग भी कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. उम्मीद करते वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा. एक लाइक ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा. अगर अपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर लीजिएगा. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो पे. तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद.